it's Rachel with the Atoga Prattville Public Library, and today we have a very special unboxing. We're going to be looking at some caterpillars that we have to grow into butterflies. So before we unbox our little kit, I want to let you know that these caterpillars are going to be in the children's room at the Atoga Prattville Public Library at the Prattville branch, and you can come and see them at the children's room desk, but we ask that you don't touch them because they're a little fragile. So you can come by and take a look, but remember, look with your eyes and not with your hands. We're going to be very gentle with these little critters so that we can help them grow into big, beautiful butterflies. Now, before I unbox this, we're going to go through the life stages of a butterfly, just super quick. We've got the butterfly egg. Neat, huh? We've got the caterpillars, which should be about the phase that our little critters are in this box here. We've got the chrysalis, which is when caterpillars go into their cocoon and are preparing to grow their wings and all that good stuff. And finally, last but not least, we've got our butterflies. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and open up our box and see what our little critters look like. So I'm going to open our box very gently and take out my cup of caterpillars. This cup of caterpillars has all the food that they need already in there. Ta-da! So I'm going to move my camera a little bit so we can see them a little bit better. And you can get an idea of what these little critters look like. We've got one guy crawling around a little bit. How cool is that? Alrighty, so those are our caterpillars. Check back in with us in about a week to see what progress they make in their growth. Thank you guys so much for tuning into our butterfly cam today, and have a lovely day.